What are some of the problems and initiatives that you're hearing from manufacturing customers?
So we've been hearing from our customers that there's, a struggle right now to try to make sense of what to do with the data that's being created on the shop floor, how to parse the data, how to make sense of it. And so companies are coming to us and asking us, hey, we have this tribal knowledge from an aging workforce that's leaving, or we have all these sensors on these machines that are creating all this data. What can we do to it to make better informed decisions? And so SIS is leveraging the Siemens suite of solutions as well as our technical experts to be able to come up with value to the customer to make sense of this data and use it for upstream and downstream applications that improve quality and improve the overall efficiency of the manufacturing processes.